Hello guys, it's your guy today, Jola Graphics, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a professional, beautiful looking logo presented in a 3D format using what is called logo mockup. So I know this is a tutorial you don't want to miss, and it's going to be a very short tutorial, but trust me, you don't want to miss it. Don't skip any part, and at the end of the tutorial, I know you might know something about logo mockup, but if you still feel you are kind of like blessed, you love the logo mockup tutorial, so you could just comment, subscribe, and that's all I ask for. Comment, subscribe, and maybe leave a thumbs up for us. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into today's tutorial. So okay guys, the next step we're going to be doing is actually to go straight into our browser and then get our mockup file download. So I'm getting this mockup from this website called freepsdmockup.com. so they offer free mockup. There are tons of websites out there you could also check out. So I'll be dropping the link to this website down in the description section below, so you could see different mockups also showing down. If you need mockups like this, something like this, you could also visit the website and get the mockup. So I'm going to go straight down here and click the direct mockup download. So it's going to actually take me to the website where I'm going to download the mockup file down straight into my system. So I'm going to wait for some second, and the mockup has started downloading. So I will meet you guys in Photoshop. So having downloaded the logo mockup file, so you extract it and then you open it actually. So you go to file, then open with your Photoshop. So you find navigate to wherever you saved your logo file to. So you just open it. Actually I've used it for a project before, so I'm just going to actually use the logo. That's one good thing about this logo mockups. You get to change any picture you like whenever you want it, and the logo mockup will always be there available for you to use. Is that right? So I'm going to just delete these layers. Okay, I think I'm making some mistakes over here, so I'll just delete this layer and delete this layer also by pressing the delete or backspace. So I think I found this logo online, and I think it's a logo I'll be liking. So you can see where I got it from, PNG key. I actually just googled, searched logo PNG. So I have downloaded the logo. So I'm just going to go back to Photoshop and then press Ctrl O so that I can open the file from the download folder. So go to this PC, then download. I think that should be, I see the name is PNG, so I will just tap the P. Okay, it's even right here. So I'm just going to actually open it up and just wait for some seconds. Then the Photoshop will help us load the picture straight inside the Photoshop. So I haven't gotten the picture, so I'm just going to drag it into this layer here. So I might ask for things like this, just click OK. You really don't need to even understand what it's saying. So you actually centralize it, then transform, then holding your shift and alt, then you will scale it up so that it will lose its quality, and then when it's okay, you hit your enter and then just save. As simple as that. You save, and then it's taking you straight back into Photoshop with your logo already mocked up into a 3D looking logo. So let's navigate straight back inside here and find the logo mockup included. So maybe you might just want to reduce the size a bit. It seems to be too big on the logo mockup. Then you just save. and navigate back, and then boom, here's your logo. Mockup as nice as it could be. So if this video was helpful, you could just drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thanks once again. I am Jola Graphics.